Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's just talk about how can you create resume inside Canva. Let's get right into it. Open Canva, log in with your account, and here search for engineers CV. If you're a doctor, go for that and search. You will get lots of templates, right? Make sure these are free templates. You don't need to pay anything for this, right? So I'll click on the first and I'll customize this template because I want to add something from my own side because I just want to make this CV for myself, right? So then we have, let me just zoom it right like this, sorry, like this much, right? First you have to delete this photo and delete the frame as well, right? Click on upload and you have to just go for the image. For example, I'm just putting IK picture and let me just, sorry, Control Z, go for this image and just put it up here. Oh, that's great. I'll just change my name, right? And what I'm actually a mechanical engineer. Alright, then I just age bachelor of mechanical engineering from UETP shower, and you can add something more like, right? Contact, and we can go for the email address, a street, and you can go for the LinkedIn account. And profile, you have to tell something about yourself. Actually, you're going to do what you have done before. Okay, your bio, you can add something like this. Languages, for example, I just wanna talk about English, and I'll just talk about English. Secondary, I'll add Urdu, Pashto, Chinese, and you can just add many more as well, right? And you can just add some experiences over here, skills that you have. If, for example, I just want to talk about CNC programming, right? CNC technologies, CNC part program, researcher, right? And then you can add multiple skills that we have done. You can just add your internships, apprenticeships, and many more things, right? And you can just add references like you just can add some of the referees, Gmail account, their name and their contact information, and simply once you've done this, then you can go and download your CV and the PDF standard format, right? So we can download and you'll get this CV right now. This is your CV. Let's boom. This is the simple and straightforward way to make resume and CVs inside Canva for free, and let's boom. Thanks for watching.